Hello and welcome back to Home Design Inspiration and Ideas, your ultimate source for all things beautiful in home decor and design. Modern farmhouse design strikes the perfect balance between rustic warmth and sleek modernity, making it a favorite among homeowners and decorators alike. It seamlessly blends timeless elements, such as weathered wood and vintage pieces, with clean lines and contemporary details to create a cozy yet stylish atmosphere. Key features of this design style include neutral color palettes, shiplap walls, and open layouts that encourage flow and functionality. To achieve the look, pair rustic elements like reclaimed wood beams or antique furniture with modern touches such as minimalist lighting and polished hardware. Textures also play an important role, layering soft textiles, natural fibers, and smooth metals creates depth and interest. Whether you're renovating a space or simply adding farmhouse-inspired accents, the versatility of this style allows you to adapt it to your taste and needs. From kitchens with industrial fixtures to living rooms filled with cozy throws and greenery, there's no shortage of ways to bring this inviting aesthetic to life. If you love these modern farmhouse ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments.